Once, we built our lives within walls, distant and cold, separated from what truly matters. Now, we step into the embrace of the sun, the open sky, and the freedom to breathe. Here, nature wraps us in its warmth, offering peace, space, and the joy of truly connecting. Communities created with love, green pathways, parks alive with energy, and ecosystems that grow with us. This is an investment that flourishes, nurtured by nature, for today and for generations to come. It's not just a home, it's a life to cherish, where every moment is a meaningful connection. SMDC Nature, where life grows with you.